Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. I'm preparing this video to demonstrate you what the students will do in their assignment. So this is the Mangrove website. We have a text here saying that we need help from people to create a database of real-world programs with error reports generated for them. And here we list the goals. The first step was pattern identification, and then collecting the data set, and then machine learning. We list the publications here and researchers about the project contact us. So students will log in here. First, they will create an account. Let me very quickly do that. For now, we are not verifying email addresses, but we will by the time we present this to students. All right. There we go. We created the account. Now we will log in. User 7. I'm getting this much captchas because I ran some attacks on the server. So this is what the newcomers will see, a progress bar starting with a welcome step. Here we have a text explaining what they will do, what is the goal of this whole thing. Then they will continue to a survey. They will need to answer these questions so that we can have an idea about their expertise level. You will and then submit answers. They can change the answers anytime they like. And then they will have this tutorial in which we explain the static code analysis, taint analysis, common weakness enumeration, what is inside a bug report, what is a false positive. So this is the example code from OWASP benchmark. Then we have a link here to a virtual machine that we prepared for the students to use. In this virtual machine, they will have Eclipse IDE and subject application. Subject static analysis tool is ready, and indeed all the error reports are ready, listed in the virtual machine. Here it is. So these are the error reports that they will be reviewing. This is the subject application. We have 33 error reports for the subject application. All right, and we are directing students to some video tutorial on about the shortcuts of the Eclipse, and then some brief explanation about what find security bugs does, and then we continue to the hands-on training page. And in this video, I'm reviewing an error report, and I'm asking students to have their virtual machine ready to follow the steps that I perform on the video. And afterwards, we have an exercise here. I asked them to find this error report and tell us whether it's a true positive or false positive. So it was a false positive indeed. And then we will have another video in which I will review another error report, which probably will be a true positive. Then we will continue to the quiz. So in the quiz, we will have some generic questions about static code analysis, and as well as some questions in which they will do the task itself, do some labeling. For example, this one is a labeling question. I can't remember answer to those, so I will give random answers. So this is a false statement. I'm randomly selecting one of the choices here. This is true. This is true. This is, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Okay, I'm submitting the answers. Okay, 70 is not enough to pass. One user need to really look into that questions to really pass the quiz. Now I'm gonna log out from this user and log in with another user which I know passed the quiz. So this user passed the quiz, so she can see another tab in here. In this tab, she will see the error reports that are assigned to her. And clicking on an error report, she will see some more details about the error report and give answer and some explanation here and the time that she spent, and then she will click on submit, but I will click on close now. Yeah, so to actually decide whether it's a true positive or false positive, the user needs to go to the virtual machine, find the file in here. So it was at line 154. This is this error report. So at this point, they will review the code like I did in the hands-on training video and answer the question in here. That's basically it. On top of that, we will have admin users, and they will be able to see the labeled error reports, CWEs, static code analysis tools, and they can also edit new entities to all of these fields. Subject applications, that's what admin users can do. And we also have an admin panel in which we can add new questions, new error reports, like everything. Thank you very much for listening.